Hi guys, it's Derek with Diamonds. I have a package for you today. This comes all the way from Bella Art de Nicole. I had some trays done and I purchased some of her trays. And they're every single one of them is a divider tray. Sorry guys, I'm getting over the weather, guys. This is her This is her business card. She does have a website. She does do drops. A butterfly sticker. And there is that. So we're going to do this one first because this one is special. This one, if I'm not mistaken, is my custom tray. I've been itching for a custom tray. Right. Nope, just kidding. But here it is. There's the first one. I know I had custom trays made. So we shall see which ones they are. Aha! Here they are. It has my YouTube name on it, Derek with Diamonds. And these are the Sunset Ombres. I wanted to get some light color divider trays. So there's those three. Then we have Rainbow, saved for last. So guys, this is the last two. They're just plain old rainbow trays. There's those. So I got how many trays? 5 trays. I will show you how many I own of the 3 divider trays. So I own 11 so far. These are my 3 divider trays. So what that means is I can kit up to 33 colors. You're probably like, why would you do that? Because it makes the process go so much easier. But I'm not going to do that until I get a tower system to kit them up. So guys, with that being said, love yourself, love each other, guys. Happy diamond painting, guys. Bye.